I'm Maddie, and this is Paige. Welcome to our cooking show.
Today we are going to teach you how to make brownies.
To make brownies, you will need soft butter for greasing the pan and flour for dusting the buttered pan.
You also need 4 large eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, and 8 ounces of melted butter.
Lastly, you will need 1 1/4 cups of cocoa, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, half a cup of flour, and half a teaspoon of kosher salt.
The first step is to preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit.
Next, butter and flour your pan.
After that, in a mixer with a whisk attachment, beat your eggs until they are fluffy.
Once the eggs are fluffy, add in both sugars and mix.
Add the remainder of your ingredients
And mix until well combined.
Pour your batter into the greased and floured pan and put it in the oven for 45 minutes.
After the 45 minutes, take a toothpick and insert it into the center of the pan.
If the toothpick comes out clean, your brownies are finished baking.
If not, they need a few more minutes of bake time.
Just remember, you can always add minutes, but you can't take them away.
Add your freshly baked brownies to a cooling rack.
Wait for them to cool down before you cut into them.
We got this recipe from foodnetwork.com.
Thanks for watching our cooking show.
Enjoy your brownies!